Good morning, children. See, we have started our third class chapter in science. The first chapter is about what do animals eat. So last class we discussed about the different habits of the animals, how the animals are having food. Some animals are directly swallow the food. Swallow means what? That's called a swallow. So just to swallow the food, and some chew nicely. Is it? The plant eating animals, they after cutting that plants, they chew nicely, keeping the food on both sides. Is it? And they do the what? Some herbivorous animal or some plant eating animal, what they will do? They will take back again the food from the stomach and chew nicely while taking rest. And that food is called what? Cud, is it? So, and some other animals, those are very ferocious and those want to attack other animals and want to eat the food, what they will do? Yeah, they will just tear the food, is it? They will go attack that animal and tear the flesh nicely with the sharp teeth on both the sides, is it? Sharp canine teeth, and tear the flesh and eat. And they have sharp what? Claws, and they can remove the skin and everything with the help of the claws, is it? So these are the different food habits of a particular or the famous or which is very familiar to you. So such animals. Today we are going to discuss about some different animals, and their food habit is entirely different from these animals. First one is what? Leech. Have you seen leech anywhere? Anybody? Maybe you can't find out because these leeches are found if the soil is very moisture. Leeches need a very moisture soil. For example, when we are going to very thick forest, evergreen forest, very thick forest, while you are walking through that forest, see these leeches will be there in the soil. While you are walking, it just come to your body and start sucking the blood. It will just suck all the blood from your body. When the leeches is full, get all that blood water what is needed, it just falls down from your body. So such a small worm-like animals are called what? Leeches. And so what is the food of leech? What is the food of leech? Yes, it likes blood. Not only our blood, whatever animals are moving, it just jump on the animal's body and take all the suck. What will say? Suck. You will suck now with the straw. You will take that what is that juice and all everything. The same way, the leeches will suck all the blood. Not all blood. What the leeches needed, that much blood it will take, fill the stomach and then fall down. Such a worms are called what? Leeches. I will show the picture. And next one is mosquito. Very familiar, is it? Do you like a mosquito? No. What time the mosquitoes are coming to your house? Yes. Daytime very less. The night time. Evening time. The evening time it will slowly start to come and start to suck your blood. And you know very one thing. All the mosquitoes will not drink or suck the blood. Only the female mosquitoes drink the blood of the other animals because it wants for that to give babies, it needs the blood. That's why it come and suck the blood. Female mosquitoes. And where do the mosquitoes lay eggs? In the water. It lays eggs in the dirty water. And wherever the dirty water is there, the mosquito will go and lay the eggs. And after from the egg, small larvae will come out, and you can find out if you just today. Now it is rainy season, no? You just go out of your house, search here are there any small pots or somewhere water is there. There will be some worm-like. Okay, those will be what? The larvae of mosquito. So we should not allow any dirty water around. Why? It will increase the number of mosquitoes. If mosquitoes are more, what will happen? It will come and spread the diseases by one person to other person, and like that it will spread the diseases. We should not allow any dirty water to stagnate, to stay for a long time nearby. So you should do today itself. Just check it, okay? And clean all the dirty water with your mother's or parents' permission. Without permission, you should not do anything. So, okay. So, mosquito's favorite food is what? Yes, blood. Blood is the favorite food of mosquito. And do the mosquitoes are having like a teeth and all? No. I will show you how the mosquito will suck the blood. And next one is earthworm. Where can you find out the earthworm? Up, down, or on trees? Have you seen earthworm? Okay, those who are playing in soil and all maybe find out the earthworms. So earthworm's favorite place is what? Soil, moist soil. But earthworm will not do any harm to us, and it will do very good thing, and it will help the farmers. Okay, the earthworm, what it will eat? No? Do you know the food of earthworm? Yes, the soil. Soil only the food of earthworm. What the earthworm will do? Earthworm just eat all the soil and take the nutrients in the soil to the body, and the other soil will just pass out. See, the earthworm will be like this. So the earthworm is like this. It will take the soil through this, and in the soil there will be a lot of nutrients. It will be absorbed in the body. Through the other side, the soil just push outside. So just mixing the soil very nicely. So what is the food of the earthworm? Soil. Okay. So is it doing any harm to us? No, it is very friendly, and it is called as the friend of farmers. Farmer's friend. Earthworm is called as farmer's friend. So like that, the food habit of earthworm. So what is the food habit of leech? Sucking the blood. What is the food habit of mosquito? Sucking the blood. What is the food habit of earthworm? Eating the soil. Okay, and go through the pipe and just push out the waste soil through the other end. And next one is your favorite insect. What is that? Butterfly. Why do you like butterflies very much? Yes, it has very beautiful what? Is it beautiful wings, and it will just fly here and there. If you are in the middle of so many butterflies, how you will feel? So happy you will feel to touch the butterfly. Is it? So it is very good, and it is an insect. It will not do any harm to anybody. Very innocent, is it? Are you harming the butterflies? Catching butterflies and removing all the this thing and all? Are you doing so? Should not do like that, because it is very innocent insect is what butterfly. You can just enjoy how it is flying and how it is moving here and there. If anything can't go outside and all and trapped inside your house, you can just catch it and put it outside, and want to catch very slowly, because on the wings there will be some powder. If you touch the powder, it will become very delicate and you can't fly. So you have to be very careful while handling the butterflies. Okay. So how the butterfly is getting food? What is the food of butterfly? What is the food of butterfly? Where do the butterfly always move? Yes, near to the flowers. Very beautiful flowers, yellow, red, orange, blue. So many different colorful flowers are there around us, is it? So the butterfly just go sit on the flower and just suck the what? Nectar. What is it? Nectar. Nectar means that honey likes very sweet substance. The sweet substance present in the flowers is called what? Nectar. So it will just like we will drink juice with the straw, no? The same way the butterfly will drink the juice of from the flowers. So that juice is called what? Nectar. Okay. And we have a straw, no? The same way butterfly is having a long like this one structure, and it is called proboscis. What is its name? Proboscis. So with the proboscis, it just sucks the nectar from the flowers. Okay, and next another one bird. Have you heard about hummingbird? Maybe you may be heard in that our assembly quiz, no? You may be heard that hummingbird, the smallest bird. Hummingbird is the smallest. Do you know what is size? It will be only the finger size. It will be just the finger size of that bird, just the size of a butterfly. That much only the hummingbird. There will be variety of hummingbirds, but smallest will be the size of a butterfly. That much small it is what? The hummingbird. And bee hummingbird is the smallest bird. Okay. So this hummingbird also drink what? Nectar from the flowers. So what it also has long like this one, sharp needle like a beak to just suck the nectar from the flowers. So hummingbird also drink what? Nectar from the flowers with the help of straw or pointed or needle like what? Beak. Okay. And next another category is dogs and cats. You like very much dogs and cats, not big one, small one. If puppies are there, kittens are there, you like just to take and pamper, is it? So what they like very much, small dogs and cats, what they like? Milk. So how do they just take the milk and drink it? No. Then how do they drink? If you keep, they just with the tongue, is it? So that is called what? Lap. So it lap the milk with the tongue. Lap the milk and drink the whole milk, is it? So these are the different ways how different what animals, means small insects, and how do they eat the food. So I just show you. So what is this? Who is this? Very handsome, no? Who is it? Yes. You are getting afraid, no? Seeing this. So this is what? Mosquito. This is the mosquito. See that long one? What is it? Needle like. Is it very sharp pointed proboscis? Very sharp pointed proboscis. So this, with the help of this sharp needle like proboscis, this mosquito suck the nectar or blood? Yes, blood. And the male mosquitoes drink the juice, plant juice, and female mosquitoes drink the blood of animals. And see, very beautiful. What is that? Butterfly. Is it? You want to be like a butterfly? Is it? You can fly anywhere. You can go to see the different flowers. So this butterfly, how the butterfly will drink the nectar? See, this one is called a proboscis. See, proboscis. So with the help of this proboscis, it just flower will be there. It just drink the flower just like a straw. It will just suck or take all that nectar and fill the stomach. Okay, so it will be so happy. And another one, not good. Who is this? Yes, it is the leech. Do you like leech? No. Why? Why you don't like leech? It will suck your blood. And where will be the leech present? In the forest area or in the moist places, the leeches will be there. Okay, and it will just jump on the body of any animals and suck. Here, see, here will be some tooth-like structures. Just bite very tightly. If a leech is biting, now you can't remove the leech. That much tightly it will bite. And if you want to remove leech, an easy way is that if you keep some salt on that, it will die and it will leave you. But you should not do like that, and nobody allowed to do that. So leech, when it leave, no, when it is fully filled with what? Blood in the stomach, it will become very big. First the leech will be very thin. After drinking, it become very big in size, and last it will just leave you and go its own way. See, who is this? Very beautiful bird. What is that? Hummingbird. See, hummingbird, and it has also pointed beak. With this beak, just drink the nectar from the flowers. And so these are the different ways how the different feeding habits of animals. Very small topic, and little more is there that we will take in next class, and our first chapter will get finished the next class. I will just read some important terms in the last class. And this, what is this? Swallow. You just read the keywords and send me the voice. Swallow. What is that? Swallow. What is swallow? Just put without biting, eating. That is called what? Swallow. And next one is what? Prey. Who is a prey? Any small animals or animals like deer, rabbit, and that lion will come and attack, no? So those small animals are called what? Prey. For example, if lion is there and deer is there, deer is the prey of lion. Lion is the predator. Predator means who is going to attack is called a predator. Who is getting attacked is called a prey. So who is deer, rabbit, small insects for the birds. For the birds, small insects will be acted as a prey. The term prey means who is going to get attacked, who is going to be the food of others. That is the prey. So prey and cud. I told you cud. What is cud? Half digested food taken by herbivorous or plant-eating animal is called the cud. And chewing. What is chewing? Keeping mouth. Do nicely. That is called what? Chewing. And next is trunk. See, the elephant. This is called what? Trunk. Another trunk is the. If it is a tree, and this part also is called what? Trunk. Okay, the wood, hard wood of the tree is also called what? Trunk. Here trunk is what? The long nose of elephant is called what? Trunk. And next one is gnawing. I told you, gnawing, one fruit or something, continuously eating is called what? Gnawing. Say, gnawing. And next one is what? Grinding. Grinding means keep the food on both sides, nicely grind and make it paste like that. That is called the grinding. Grinding. And next, biting. What is that? Biting. And this one, carnivore. Say, carnivore. Flesh eating animals are called carnivore. And herbivore. Plant eating animals are called herbivore. And omnivore. The animals eat both plants and flesh called omnivore. And next, flesh. What is flesh? Flesh and meat. Flesh and meat means that what is the under the skin there will be soft thing, na? What chicken and goat you will eat, no? That flesh is, that soft part of the body is called what? Flesh or meat. So this only today's. So read the keywords again and again, learn the spellings and do the worksheet.